Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we showed how we can implement Slick Slider in ClickFunnels Classic version. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can implement Slick Slider in CF 2.0. So let's get started. At first, we are going to the editor of the ClickFunnels 2.0. Here, we will implement a slider like this. This is a Slick Slider, and this is uh, this is the preview from the ClickFunnels Classic version. And today, we are going to do that for CF 2.0. So we are going back to the editor here in 2.0 and adding a new section. So I am taking the full page section here. After taking this full page section here, we can see that by default the full section background is white, and we are keeping that same. Or we can change it from the background, and we can remove the background color to the white to transparent. So the whole background is now vanished and showing from the default background. Okay, and now we have to add a 3-column row like this. Everything is similar that we showed in the last video, just we have to customize that particular JavaScript code. That's it, nothing else. So we are going to do the same that we did in the last video. 2k 3-column row here and added images here and duplicating this 3-column row. Now we are going to replace these images, uploading new images. We already selected 6 images for this slider, so we are going to upload those images in the image gallery. Upload already completed. Now we will replace the images here. If you use the same height and width of the image, then it will look good. Your slider will look awesome. If we see in the reference design, we can see a different images are in different sizes and shapes. That's why it's not looking so good. But when the images are in the same height and width, the slider will look good. Okay, we already uploaded those 6 images and saving the page. Now clicking on the preview button to see the preview. We can see a static preview here, and we have to make it workable. So we are going to copy the same code. We are going to copy the same code and pasting it in the settings, show code, then footer code. We have to paste it here. Then if we save the page and reload it again, we can't see anything is changed here. But we already used the script that we used in the ClickFunnels Classic version. So what's the difference here and how we can solve it? Let's go to that part. At first, we have to change the data title, and we have to copy this CF Slick Slider data title value. And in today's video, we will show another thing, how we can set data title in ClickFunnels 2.0. In classic version, we saw that we have to go to the settings, then here we get the get CSS info and we replace that data title. But in 2.0 it's slightly different. So we will show that first. After going to the settings of the section, we have to go to the advanced tab here in the top navigation of the section settings. From here we have to add custom attribute. Add custom attribute and the name will be data dash title and the value will be the one we copied earlier. Save slick slider. So we have to save it. Now we can see we have already added the custom attribute as the data title attribute and added the value of the data title attribute. So we are going to save it again and reloading the preview again, but still no change. So what's the problem? So let's identify the issue actually. If we think by doing the inspect here in the ClickFunnels Classic, we can see that their whole section is actually container inner, but actually in the ClickFunnels 2.0 they are using different class actually container inner v2. We have to replace this class actually in the script, then it will work again. So we are going to settings and show code, then footer code again, and we have to update this has class from no sorry container class. This container class we will update the value container inner to container inner v2. Then we will save the page and we have to reload it again. Then we can see our slider is working. But we can see that here it is actually in a 960 pixel wide, but actually here we can see it's taking the full width actually. How we can solve it? It's actually easy. We have to go to the section settings again and we have to set the width as the L, then we have to save it. Then if we reload the page again, then we can see that it's also fixed here. It's also fixed here. So this is the process how we can implement CF Select Slider in ClickFunnels 2.0. Hope you understood how to implement it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next time. Bye bye.